In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel into Notion. If you've got data living in a spreadsheet and want it to become an interactive, editable database inside Notion, this is a quick and reliable way to get there. Start by creating a new page in Notion. You can open a fresh page from your sidebar or your workspace, and it helps to give it a clear name so you'll recognize it later. Once the page is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots. This opens the page menu, sometimes called the More menu, and it's where Notion keeps a lot of useful actions you'll use from time to time. From that menu, choose Import. This brings up a prompt that lets you pick the file you want to bring in. Select your Excel spreadsheet from your computer. Notion works best with clean, standard Excel files, so if you have multiple header rows or lots of merged cells, consider simplifying that in the original file before you import. Make sure the first row of your sheet contains your column names, because Notion will use those to label your database properties. After you confirm the file, Notion will process it and turn your spreadsheet into an editable database page. You'll see a table appear with your rows and columns preserved. The first row from Excel becomes the headers in Notion, and each subsequent row becomes an item in the database. This is still your data, but now it's powered by Notion, which means you can sort, filter, and view it in different ways. If some cells don't look quite right, it's usually due to formatting differences. For instance, dates or checkboxes might come in as text if they were inconsistent in the original spreadsheet. That's normal, and you can adjust property types inside Notion after the import if needed. A few quick tips as it finishes importing. Larger files might take a moment, so be patient while the table builds. Your original Excel file isn't changed. Notion creates a copy inside your workspace. If you notice blank columns or strange characters, they often trace back to hidden rows, merged cells, or special formatting in Excel. Cleaning those up in the spreadsheet before importing usually gives the best results. And there you go. You've turned your Excel sheet into a Notion database with just a few clicks. Create a new page, open the three-dot menu, choose Import, and select your Excel file. That's all it takes to get your data into Notion and ready to work with.